Ang sabi niya, binigyan ka ng pera para ibigay mo sa politiko. Am I correct? Is that true? Is that true?
On your honor, respectfully denied po.
Ano po?
Respectfully denied po.
Nakita mo ba na binigyan ako ni Henry Alcantara? Did you see? Did you nakita ka ba? Siguro naman lang, yes or no, may nakita ka ba? Okay. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Anyways, Mr. Chairman, I do have a representative from COA. Mr. President. COA. Anybody from COA? Gumagawa ng work program, sila rin nagpapabid, sila nag-i-inspect, at sila rin nagbabayad. So kung nagsasabuatan, for example po, may isang project, in just 34 days na bayaran na from the time the notice of award na bigay. Nila Santos, siya po yung in charge, I believe, during the and also the other COA resident auditors who were for flood control. Alam ko meron yung social services, meron yung military modernization. Let's focus only on flood control projects. Anong step 1? Anong step 2? Kasi hindi siya naka-line item, di ba? Tama, Yusef? Yeah. Naka-lump-sum ang program. Among maraming sinasabi ang DPWH projects will be funded. Pag sinabit sa inyo.
So basically, Mr. Chair, we must know also what are their priorities. So that's why if
Muna natin bridges. Uunahin na muna natin flood control.
okay,
Sino ang nagdi-dictate? Kasi alam ko marami sinasabit sa inyo yan eh.
Mr. Chair, as far as the special provision po kasi,
Infrastructure project. Who prioritizes the release of infrastructure projects? Saan program ba? Yes, go ahead.
Bakit hindi mo sabihin everything else starts from the planning services sa opisina ni Yusek Catalina Cabral. Yan she is the only person and no
GA. And then slide 14, nakita po namin.
Or after our lunch break?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. I'll wrap up now, Mr. Chairman. So, Mr. Chairman, the point I'm trying to make is outside of the program to control. So, hindi natin nakikita to. So, wala mong line item.